Okay, out for a walk first thing in the morning. So in a video for the second time. Tried it yesterday. Didn't really work so good. But here's what I'm doing. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Had it for a long time. Love it. Love it just for this reason of filming whenever I want. It also makes excellent videos doing expos, fairs, farmers market, that kind of thing. So today I've got the adapter wide angle lens on, and I'm concerned that the lens over the time has become maybe making the shot a little fuzzy. So we're going to test out that first to see if that is a new issue, and I should be looking at a clearer wide angle lens adapter. It's on right now. So the image quality, I'm about to pull it off and we will see what it looks like. Here we go. You know, I think that does look a little better. A little better. Let's put it back on. Yeah, I think it does look a little better. Let's go to the next test. Something that, yeah, I'm going to take it off for now because I don't want a chance that the lens is making it fuzzy. So now that back in the case, let's go to the next thing I want to test out. Now, got to get through the doorway. So, no wide angle lens, straight from the Osmo Pocket 3. Again, this test is one that you've been listening to. In the combo kit for the Osmo Pocket 3, you get a DJI Mic 2. Great mic. That mic has improvements over the original mic, where it has 32-bit float internally and some other adjustments or improvements like the wind muff being easier to put on, a bunch of little tweaks, but the 32-bit float is the big thing. But I hardly ever used it, and when I tried to use it, I didn't realize that you had to turn it on within the Osmo Pocket 3. There's a button that you gotta kind of like activate it. Once you do that, you're good. But the issue with recording separately, it's a great safety track if you're, say you're shooting a interview with the president and you don't want to lose any audio no matter what, you'd want the safety track. I get it. Or other external mics to record. But I hardly ever used it. And the only issue with it, it's bigger than the new DJI Mic Mini. Now the Mic Mini, you lose a lot of things. A lot of things. One, no 32-bit float. No mic input. If you wanted to use a lavalier mic, out of the question. You lose those things, but for a much smaller package. And so today I'm testing it out. It's right there on my chest, and I wanted to see, hold on, it's right there on my chest, on my shirt. I do have the wind muff on. It's not really windy today, but it would save me if it was windy, like I did in the other video. Let's go back to face track. And now you can see. Now, the second part of the test is you can hear it. Probably sounds pretty good. I think it would probably sound the same as if I was wearing the DJI mic 2. This mic, though, is half the price. Losing those couple of features, it's half the price. So I think it's super popular in what people are buying. So I saw some other YouTubers that didn't wear it on the shirt. And it is smaller and lighter, so it may not sag. Oh, and I'm going to interfere with the mic at the moment. I'm going to stick it on my hat. It looks a little goofy, but this one YouTuber who does golf puts it on his hat and talks. Get the bug out of the way. And talks. And so I'm really curious as to, does this work on this scenario? Do I get enough volume? Would it look not as ginky if I move it way over to the side? Now on camera it looks ginky, but I don't think it looks ginky out the front. I don't think the magnet would hold between the visor. So I'm just kind of clipping it. And it seems to be working. So I thought I would shoot this video and just see if this worked. And then after that, I think what I want to do is go from there. I probably will come back, but I'm going to do this. This may be the end of this short video, just so you can know that the Djimicmini works. Whether it works better on the chest or on the hat, on the side or in the front, you decide. I'll listen to it after. I may come back on and say, I liked it, didn't like it, but I'm gonna just give this a try. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.